Alright, so I'm redoing my voiceover because I didn't like the way I sounded in the first clip. So basically, these are my nails. Oh, wait. I'm going too fast for myself. Hold on. Alright, these are my nails after 3 weeks. And there was no lifting, but there was a bit of yellowing from the apple drops. And also my thumbnails, the tips of them broke, like they cracked. The kit, overall, I would say it's pretty good. Oh, and also I'm explaining to you that I filled in my right hand yesterday, so I just had to do my left hand on camera. But I think the kit's worth it for $15. Like, you can't beat the price. You get everything that you need in the kit. You know, you get your forms, the primer, obviously your acrylic, and your monomer. If you're a beginner, I would say go for it. Buy the kit. Just don't put as many apple drops as I did, because that'll cause yellowing, which I don't like. It's, I don't know, it's just something that I don't like. It just looks weird, especially once it grows out. It almost looks like an orangey yellow. I don't know, it just looks funky. So just either skip the drops or maybe put 1 or 2, not 5 like the directions recommend. It's not necessary. You don't need 5 drops. Like, the acrylic is strong, but it's not as strong as, like, I would say, like, Mia's Secret or Sally's Beauty acrylic. Like, it's not that strong. So 5 apple drops is a bit of overkill. 1 to 2 at most. None if you really want it to be completely clear. I think that's pretty much it for the voiceover. I guess I'll come back in every now and again and let you know what I'm doing. Right here, I'm just rebalancing the nail and making sure that it's nice and even, that there are no lumps or gaps in it.